After witnessing an overwhelming response to a OnePlus 70 revisit video, we are back with the next one as promised for the OnePlus 70 users. Now we wish every smartphone had these hidden features that the OnePlus 70 holds, making your smartphone using experience memorable and comfortable. These are some of the features which are hidden deep down and are not very much straightforward. Let's dive in and check out these cool hidden features that you guys are surely going to enjoy. But before you do that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss out on our latest content. Let's begin with the first one. This feature helps you to hide apps for security and privacy reasons. To access hidden space, you need to open the apps drawer and then swipe left. Now select the plus sign to add the apps. Now these apps will be private and only visible under the hidden space, and that too password protected. This is a pretty cool feature and most of the OnePlus users won't be aware of this one. You can send files with ease to OnePlus users or any other smartphone users with the FileDash feature. Here you go with the steps. Select the files you want to share from the file manager. Select the dash file option. Now a custom hotspot will be created. Now using the other device, connect to this Wi-Fi network. Open any browser and type one.plus. You will get an option to download the file. Download the file and you are all set to go. Now as we are into the file manager, let's check out another cool feature, that is the lockbox. This works like a locker to your files where you can hide them and they won't be visible to anyone. Even mounting your phone to Windows or Mac machine won't help as they would be still hidden. Using lockbox is pretty easy. Open your file manager, select the files you want to hide and select move to lockbox. Now to access these files, open lockbox and there you go. Now if you want to change the way your app icon looks, then OnePlus has got this covered for you. There are some default icon packs options you can select from. Just long press the home screen and then select the icon pack. Select the icon pack that suits your taste and make your app icon classy. Now I'm pretty sure very few people would be aware of this feature. We do a lot of reading on our phones. This feature comes handy while you do a lot of reading work on your phone or while reading an ebook at night. Let's dive in and check out this one. Open settings, display, head over to scenes section and there you will find the reading mode. Select the app and then filter and you're all set. The next time you open the app added, it automatically activates the reading mode. Get your favorite apps at your fingertips. Yeah, I mean it. Head over to the settings and then utilities. Tap on quick launch and enable the toggle. Select the apps you want easy access to. Now you're all set. Whenever you unlock your phone using the fingerprint scanner, just long press and select your favorite app within seconds. Parallel space helps safeguard a user's privacy and safety as well, since it does not need root access. It gives a user the ability to log into two different accounts simultaneously by creating a separate space on the Android device. Here's how you can do it. Head over to settings, utilities and select parallel space. Select the app you need to create a parallel space for. Now you can use this app with two different accounts simultaneously. That's all for the video. These were some cool hidden features we wish every smartphone had. Let us know which one you weren't aware of in the comment section below. Till then, this is Ayush signing off. Until the next video, stay rad.